for project-based learning, most likely at the very end of your experience of exploring and discovering and experiencing whatever subject you're learning about, you're going to have to present it to your peers, your class, some sort of group, and you're going to have to show them what you learned. And one of the things that I found that is pretty cool is called ThingLink, and it's a way to make interactive posters, interactive infographics, any type of like visual, you can make it interactive. And so for this instance, we're going to pretend that we just spent some time learning about ice cream, how it's made. Maybe we went to a factory and got a tour. Maybe we made some ice cream. But we're going to show this to our peers, and we're going to create something to show them visually. So we're going to go to Create, and we're going to just hit blank canvas for this, but check out all these different types of things you can add in. So this is great for project-based learning. Let's say you want to do a floor plan for a zoo. Boom, you can do one right there. Timeline, all sorts of neat things here. But for this, we're just going to go blank canvas. We're going to go to continue. We're going to upload a picture of just 4 ice cream cones. And once it's uploaded, we're going to hit continue. And then down here, we're going to click on it, ice cream picture. And this is where the fun part comes in, where we make it interactive. We're going to hit edit, and it'll take us to something that looks like this. We're going to hit add tag. And when you click add tag, it creates this little circle thing, and you can move it around. For right now, we're going to put it on this ice cream cone. And I had previously made a little infographic on Canva about like a little timeline of events of how ice cream was originated, and then some little fun facts as well. So we're going to go to add text and media, and we are going to upload something, that infographic. So I got it uploaded. It's going to be right there. Let's say we want a little title to kind of go along with what the heck this is. So let's just say we do ice cream, timeline, and fun facts. So it adds it right there. If you want to change your icon, you can click on this. It gives you lots of different options. You can even upload your own. For this, I'm going to keep it at the plus sign. We're going to hit done. Boom, it's there. When they click on it, it shows up. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to add another tag. And for this one, we're going to include a little video of a tour. I found a tour of the Ben & Jerry's factory on YouTube. All you have to do is go to share. You're going to copy that link. You're going to go back to ThingLink. And we're going to add content from website. And you're just going to copy that little code right there, that URL. And we're going to change the icon of this to a little video camera. That way the viewers know that it is a video that they're going to watch. We're going to hit done, and we're going to move it over to this ice cream cone. Next, we are going to add a link to a podcast that talks about how ice cream works, and it's through the Stuff You Should Know podcast. And how you're going to do this is where it gets a little funky, a little bit different, because it's not just a copy and paste of a URL. It's like this. You're going to go share. You're going to go to embed widget, and you're going to copy this whole entire thing. And at first, you're going to think, maybe this might not work, but trust me, it'll be all right. You're going to go over to add tag, and again, you're going to hit add content from website, and you are going to copy and paste that embed code, that widget code, and we're just going to paste it in there. It's going to load, and there's the little widget. All they have to do is click on it to listen to the podcast. And we are going to change it to the little microphone. That way it kind of gives them a sense of what they might be clicking on in this. And last but not least, to end this little infographic, or not this infographic, but this little presentation together, we are going to include a recipe to how people can make their own ice cream. And this is just a very simple recipe. It's in a bag. It even says it takes 15 minutes. So we're just going to go ahead and copy this URL and go to add tag, and we are going to go to add text and media. For this, we're going to do a button URL, so it'll essentially be they have to click on this to get to the website. We're going to go paste that, and we don't want just that delish.com to be on there, so we're going to change it to where it says ice cream recipe. That way they know that they can click on that and it'll take it to that website. But to make it a little bit more interesting, we're going to add an image, and it's actually the same image that's from the website. I was able to save it to my computer, and we're just going to click on the ice cream in a bag. This is the same picture that's on the delish.com website, and that gives a good little visual, and then they can click on the ice cream recipe. And I'm going to leave it as the same as that little plus, and we're going to click out of it, and it's done. We just got to move it over here. And that's pretty much it. You hit done, and you get something that looks a little bit like that. Pretty neat. And you can share it, you can download it, all sorts of fun stuff.